Okay, gang, so I'm driving Highway 1 just north of my campground, and rumor has it there's a big slide, mudslide, rock slide right up here. So the boss has sent me down to see if I can get some pictures of it, because the people at Limekiln State Park are blocked in. They've got big mudslides on either, rock slides on either side of them. So until Caltrans gets it cleaned up, they're kind of stuck. So let's see what we got up here. I'm going slow because, you know, of course it's raining and more rocks could come down. So we shall see. I know it's a pain, I know it's dangerous, and it's exciting at the same time. As long as no rocks come down and hit me. So, you know, you gotta think positive, right? You can't live scared. Be cautious. So I'm gonna do this and I'm going back home, and I ain't going anywhere else. Because, you know, it's not exactly safe to do so. Limekiln is only 2 miles from my park, Kurt Creek. So, let's see. Looks like there's a little bit of rock right up here. There's a little bit right there. So maybe Caltrans has already moved it. Maybe not. We'll see. There's still got a little bit more to go. This is the 2 mile stretch between, see there's a sign, Limekiln State Park, half a mile. Oh, there's a little bit of rock right there. Oh, here's some big rocks in the road. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, you ain't getting through there. Anyway, that's it. Ciao, babies. Hey, gang. I'm leaving Limekiln State Park and heading south towards Kurt Creek, going home. So there's been a lot of slides right here this last week, and there's a big pile of rubble that has come off the mountain that Caltrans has moved off the road. But right up here is the big slide that has had people trapped in Limekiln for a day here and there. I'll show you that. We'll be there in just a sec. And it's a lot of mud. And I came through this morning, there was a whole bunch on the road. Hopefully by now they've got a lot of it cleared off. Ooh, I guess they did, because it was right there, I think. Yeah, they did. They got a lot of it cleared off. So, good for them. See, Caltrans works. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the route. I mean, these mountains are just, they're soft. All this rain, it's a lot more rain. Well, they had a drought, so everything's dried up. And then we get, you know, 6 to 8 weeks of rain. So everything is saturated now. Trees are falling, sides of the mountains are falling. Oh, look at those clouds. That's something else. So, anyway, these rocks here on the side of the road, they're going to come down eventually. Nope, this is where the mud was this morning, right here. Boy, they did get it cleaned up. Oh wait, there's more. Every time I think I'm at it, this is the big one that was here this morning. So they've got one lane cleared. And of course there's tire popping rocks in the road again already. Oh man, this is crazy. Hope I can get over that. Whew. Some big rocks I had to drive over. Hopefully it didn't, puncture my oil pan in the company truck here. And that's it. So it's a little scary. So I've spent the last 4 days in my trailer by myself. And it kind of got to me this morning. But I feel much better now. I made it to Limekiln, did my laundry, took a shower, talked to some people, and I feel much better now than I did this morning. So it's depressing. It is so depressing. And yeah, the car keeps dinging because I don't have a seatbelt on. So anyway, this is it. Kirk Creek's right there over the little hill. Life in Big Sur. Another adventure, right? It's beautiful, but it is, I don't know. It's scary. Very isolated. This is my campground here to the right, down this hill right here. We're right around this curve here is my entrance. And this is it. So, ciao babies. Look at this, guys. I have a freaking sunset. Yes, California. And look, there's blue sky. Yeah, there is a fog or a cloud that has fallen down, whatever you want to call it, going right in front of that. Can you see it? It's moving. Okay, let me stand still. See that cloud in front of the sunset moving? Jeez, I'm just like soaking up what little sun I can. So anyway, this is my park. I do have campers. There's Tin Lizzy that I'm emptying. There's the mountain when I look to the east. And Bessie. It's really cloudy down south, but there's some blue sky still. Awesome sauce. My phone doesn't know what to focus on. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, ciao babies.